Hey everyone, what is up? As you guys can tell, I'm not in my usual spot. I kind of wanted to do like a vlog style get ready with me, kind of chit chat a little bit with me, do my hair. Right now it's like a little mess, but I just wanted to talk to you guys. And also I am using my new vlogging camera. Hopefully the quality and the sound is good. I am so excited to be trying to do like kind of these type of videos. Let me know if you guys like them. Just like getting ready with me, like not a certain way. I'm not gonna be moving around my house. I'm just gonna sit on my couch here and just relax with you guys. So I want to start off with my face first, and then I'll do like my hair. I'm just gonna straighten it. It's not gonna be anything too crazy. So first off, I want to start off with my eyes. I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base. This one is in Rumor 02. Let me get my sponges and stuff. I have my little table, and I have like my little mirror right here. I don't know if you guys like the lighting. I have a new ring light that I got sent. It's a cute little one that's lighting me up right now. And then I'm using my elf sponge to blend it out. I already have my eyebrows done because my eyebrows are a little bit tedious. They take me long. Sometimes they're a little messed up and they just take me a long time, you guys, to do. If you hear my children in the background, they're here being loud. I want to show you guys my straightener. So I don't know if you guys, a while back on my Sephora haul, sorry I keep looking this way because the Pathfinder little view thing is on this side instead of the top. But this is a straightener that I bought on the Sephora sale. It's like very expensive. And like it vibrates and stuff when you straighten it. So when I'm done with my face, it's just going to be a simple face. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm going to be showing you guys how I straighten my hair with that straightener. Because she was a pretty penny, you guys. She was a lot. And then for the eyes, I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Do they even sell these anymore? I love this palette. Like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, my IKEA drawer was like stuck. And I couldn't get it open. And all my palettes were in there. I finally got it unstuck so I can use all of my palettes. And then I'm just going in with a Too Faced. No. I'm going in with a Wet n Wild blending brush. And then I'm just going to go in my crease. I'm just going to pat it in. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I am active on there a lot. I mean, I'm active on here too. I get you guys just messages. But if you guys want me to do like a Q&A, get to know me better, I can definitely do that. You can send me messages. If you guys want me to go live, I can do that too. I'll leave my Instagram in here on the screen somewhere so you guys can follow me. And then I'm going to do a giveaway when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So I have good stuff for you guys. So you guys let all your friends know and everybody know about my YouTube channel. So yeah, so how you guys been? How's it been going? I know it's a little bit crazy with this whole COVID stuff. You know, honestly, you guys, when I play with makeup, it just makes me forget about everything going on in the world. Just for, even if it's for a moment, makes me feel like everything is normal again. You know, and my kids are back in school. So I'm having to kind of be a teacher with them, you know. It's a little bit stressful, I can say, because there's not a lot of things that I can help them with. So I feel like I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just taking an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This is a C brush, and then I'm just taking some browns from the Too Faced palette. Spinning it all over my crease. I like the Too Faced palette too. Their eyeshadows blend really good. But yeah, you guys, with this whole school stuff, it's been like crazy. Just a little bit stressful, but one day at a time. Yeah, do you guys like watching like vlog styles? Makeup tutorials, kind of like talking to me like this. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the shimmer shade and just put it on my eyelid. Nothing too crazy since I ain't going nowhere. I mean, I haven't been going nowhere, but yeah, do you guys like these type of videos? You guys want to see like my makeup collection? I can do that too. Then I'm going to take this LA Colors brush. I'm just going to get a cream shade from the palette. And then just kind of highlight my brow bone. Yeah, I got this camera for my birthday like 2 weeks ago. It was my birthday, you guys, 2 weeks ago. I don't like telling anybody when my birthday is. I don't know. I'm just like that. But my honey got me this camera. So excited. I know I look a little bit oily. And you know what I forgot to do, you guys? Since I'm like so excited to be doing this with you guys, I forgot to prime my face first. So I'm going to go in with this Juno moisturizer primer. You can use this as a moisturizer and a primer. For both. I use them mostly as a nighttime moisturizer, but it's like kind of lightweight. You can use it as a primer for your makeup. Yeah, it's very creamy, very lightweight. Smells so good. I have a code. I'll put it in here if you guys want to support your girl. Save some coin. Then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mascara. This is my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all time. I don't know if I want to wear eyelashes today. I don't think I will. Just probably put mascara on my eyes. So here's the Bliss ones, and here's a one size. I think it's one size go off. Makeup removers, and then I got the Bliss. To me, they're the same. A dupe. I feel like they are. These ones are not more wet than these ones. I feel like they're the same. So I'm gonna use them, but I don't think I'll buy them again. Only because, like I said, I like to use a Tatcha chamomile cleansing oil. That really removes all of my makeup, you guys. I really do like it. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is the hydrating one. And I'm just gonna conceal my eyes. And then I'm just gonna go in with my sponge. My e.l.f. sponge. You guys know that's my favorite. I really do want to film more content for you guys, but I work a 9 to 5 schedule Monday through Friday. So it's a little bit hard for me. I only have time to film on the weekends, but I only do one day. So that way I don't take from my family, you know, to spend time with them, since that's the only time I have off. I guess it would be easier after work, but I have little ones, so they need a lot of my attention. Yeah, so they need a lot of my attention, and then, you know, school stuff. Then I'm going to go in with my Kokie Cosmetics, the HD Perfect HD Foundation. I'm in the shade 60W. So it's a little bit harder to film. But I do want to make makeup content for you guys and do stuff, you know. It's just sucky, but it is what it is. I'm trying to get on a schedule, like Mondays and Fridays for you guys, to have like a filming schedule, like, you know. Sometimes I can make 2 videos, and sometimes I can't. And also, I need like a new filming area, because my filming area is so small, you guys. Like ridiculous small. So I'm trying to get, well, I'm gonna move out, but not yet at this exact moment because of COVID and everything. And then I'm gonna take this little e.l.f. setting powder. They sent me this in the mail, like a sample. It's like the banana powder. You just set it under your eyes. So I'm just gonna take my Sigma brush and then just set. And then I'm just going to take this Girl Lactic bronzer. This one is in the shade Cabo. It's in the shade Cabo. It's a matte bronzer. And then I'm just taking a fluffy brush. And then I'm just going to toast it all over my face. This is the first time actually using that bronzer. I've always wanted to pick it up because I always see good reviews on it. And also, I need to buy some more clothes. I need like shirts and stuff. Where do you guys buy your guys' clothes from? Like, I buying some shirts from like Misguided, Pretty Little Thing, Forever 21. But I don't be wearing crop tops, you guys. I got long cuts. crop tops is not the thing for me. Not in style for me anyways. Not right now. Then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. blush. This one is in Always Rosy. Then I'm just taking my NARS the brush. Just put in the apples on my cheeks here. This is a nice blush, you guys. If you guys haven't tried it, you definitely should try it and pick it up. It's so pretty. We're gonna go in with highlight. I'm gonna go in with the Becca highlight. This one is in the shade Opal. It's my absolute favorite. I've had it for so long, you guys, and it hasn't even made a dent. And I've used it for a long time. You see how it gives you that pretty glow? I'm gonna put a little bit of gel liner in my eyes. I'm using this Esquito gel liner. If you guys haven't tried it, you guys definitely should. It literally stays like in my waterline. I don't know, I might put eyelashes on depending. Yeah, I got 15 minutes, so I'll probably put eyelashes. Eyelashes just always makes like your eyes pop, you know, with the look. Even if you just have like a simple eye look, eyelashes just take it to the whole next level. I love this palette, you guys. Look how just beautiful they blend out. If you guys haven't tried their new foundation, the Too Faced foundation, you should. I love that foundation. I just did a review on it on my channel I think 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago. It's on my it's up now. I really do enjoy that foundation, you guys. It stays on my skin literally for a long time. And then I'm just gonna put glow. Look at how I have my eyelashes. These are the Kiss lashes, you guys. These are the 01s. Those are my absolute favorite. And I like using their Kiss glue. This glue is the only glue that I can use. All the other glues, I can't use them and they make my eyes itchy. And then I break out like an allergic reaction or something. So the Kiss glue is the only glue that I can use. And then we're gonna go in with the lips. I'm gonna go in with this Galactic Beauty lip paint. I think this one is in Posh. I haven't tried this one yet. I tried Bashful. That one's really pretty too. Oh, okay, so it's kind of like has like a slight orange to it. The Bashful is pretty, you guys, and it like literally stays on your lips for a long time. So I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm literally like in my mirror like this. So hold on. Do you guys see how literally it takes you to the next level with the eyelashes? Also, what I like to do is if you can see the line a little bit, I like to go over with the black liner. I haven't tried this one, but this is new too from Galactic. It is their eyeliner. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice felt tip liner. And then what I like to do, so I'm gonna try to show you guys. So because I haven't done a wing liner in like so long, so I did one yesterday. It took me forever, girl, because I haven't did it, so I kind of messed up. So I'm just gonna line the top just like this, you guys. Ooh, this is nice and look. You see, just like that. So that way the band is kind of hidden. Since I kind of touch my face, I go in with my beauty blender and then just kind of go like this. Do you see how I kind of like the line? It's because of the lash glue. It's clear, but sometimes you can still see it. So I like to use an eyeliner. This one is really nice. I like it. And then I'm gonna go in with my new e.l.f. setting spray. This is supposed to be like an all-night setting spray. So spray my face with that. I kind of go back a little bit because it just flies everywhere. The spray is a fine mist. I like that. I don't like the ones that like spray on your face because then I feel like it messes up your foundation and your base because it leaves like the little circles. So now we're going to go in with my hair. So I'm going to go in with my wet to dry brush and just pull my hair out. I already have heat protectant. I use it to 10 when I wash my hair. So I used it last night. So my hair is covered. So it's gonna be like real simple for my hair, you guys. And then I get like a chongo hair tie. And then just kind of put it up a little bit. And then you spin it this way. And then I just split it. So I have, oh, I didn't think it was set at that high. So we're going to lower it. I like to do 420 and then this vibrates. So I just kind of get a piece. I don't know if you guys can hear it. But it vibrates when it straightens your hair. I don't do this every day either, you guys. This is, I probably straighten my hair maybe once a week. Before, I haven't straightened it in so long because I needed a new straightener that works. But just like once a week or so. And my hair doesn't take long at all to straighten. It's like super fast. So this is all I do, you guys. I just straighten it up and I part it like in the middle. I don't do a certain part. And I don't do it like any certain way either for my hair. I need to dye my hair again because I have grays coming out in my hair. And I'm not that old, you guys. I don't know. I guess I'm just stressed. Get the pomade layer right and then just lay my baby hairs. But since I'm not going nowhere, I'm not going to. I'm just going to spray some kind of oil, smelly good stuff for my hair. And then it's a rapid repair spray. It's an instant shine and moisturizer. So I just spray a little bit in my hand like that. And then I just kind of put it more towards the end. And then just walk it through my hair like this. I hope that you guys enjoy this type of video. You guys let me know if you guys want to see more of this. Change, like, does it need to be taller, lower? Just let me know you guys' thoughts, the lighting, everything. I want to know if you guys like these so I can keep recording these type of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.